how to set events notification on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the notifications. Okay, you can tap the notifications. Here in notifications, in what notification you receive, below of this, okay, you can see here the event. Okay, you can tap this to edit or set. And okay guys, you can allow or disallow the event notification on Facebook by switching on or off the switch button on the right side of this allow notification on Facebook. So for example, I turn off the allow notification on Facebook. So if this turn off, okay, you can see the pop-up below and tap the turn off button to turn off successfully. And okay guys, we have successfully turned off. And if you want to turn on again, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this turn on, you can set only where you receive this notification in push, email, and SMS. So for example, I turn off the push, I turn on the email, and turn off the SMS. And also you can set the receive notification for, okay, on activity, reminders, change and updates, event subscriptions, and suggestions. Okay, you can turn on or off these settings. Okay, for example, I turn off all of this. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the event notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.